In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a page in Notion. We're diving back into Notion with a quick, practical skill that makes your workspace feel connected and effortless to navigate. Whether you're opening the app for the very first time or you're polishing your setup, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting clean, reliable results. When we say tag a page in Notion, think of it as creating a smart, clickable reference inside your notes. It's more than a simple link. It creates a relationship between pages, so information naturally flows together. That means less hunting, more context, and a smoother workflow. Here's how to do it. Place your cursor exactly where you want the tag to appear in your text. Type the @ symbol, or 2 left brackets, followed immediately by the page name. No extra spaces before you start typing the name. As soon as you do, you'll see a real-time search pop-up appear right under your cursor. Keep typing to narrow the results. When you see the exact page you want, select it from that pop-up, click it with your mouse, or use the arrow keys and press Enter. Instantly, Notion will convert your text into a clickable inline link. That one action does 2 helpful things. First, it creates a neat, compact link you can use to jump straight to the other page. Second, it adds a reciprocal link on the page you just tagged. You'll see it show up as a mention or backlink so you can navigate in either direction. Over time, these two-way connections form a web of related information, which makes your notes smarter and easier to explore. A few tips to get clean results. If you see multiple pages with similar names, glance at the icons or the path in the search pop-up to make sure you're picking the right one, and type a few extra letters to filter further. If nothing shows up, double-check your spelling or confirm the page exists and you have access to it. The double bracket style tends to focus on pages and blocks, while the @ symbol can also surface people or dates. So just choose the option clearly labeled as a page. And if you select the wrong one by accident, simply delete the link text and try again. That's all there is to it. Type or choose the page, and you've created a powerful connection in seconds. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.